Hi everyone, today I'm gonna share my makeup kit with you, and it is not a regular makeup kit, it is artist's makeup kit. So for obvious reason, this is gonna have much more products than you normally require on day-to-day basis, unless and until you are a makeup junkie or makeup collector like me. So you will have a lot. So here it is, and this is my makeup bag, and it looks really nice and it is really sturdy. So here is my brush belt, which I normally don't use that much, and here is the liquid highlighters and some face powders, some small shadow palettes, and again color switch and baking powder. And this one has all the MAC concealers and gel liners in here. And then this one has small Huda Beauty lipsticks, and these are the three high face palettes which has contour and everything. And this are the Huda Beauty palettes which are my favorite, and these are some glitters. These are from local stores. And then I have kept eye makeup remover, and this case is extra because I always keep, if in case I'm using it on client, I need to give those lashes to the client. I don't reuse the lashes for hygiene purpose. And here is a nice big section, and this is mesh pocket, and it holds large palettes because I didn't find any other place to keep those. And these are like big drawers, and here I have segregated things. Here's concealer and correctors, so I have labeled as concealers, and then I have labeled as bronzer, but it has blusher, tanto, bronzing powder, and everything. And next section is, next drawer is liners, which has eyeliner, lip liner, colorful eye pencils, and brow powder, and two of the eyeshadow palettes from Juvia's, which I don't use much on day-to-day basis, but if in case these are needed, I would use them when I'm going for a colorful look on client. And the last drawer on this side, it has all the lipsticks in the world, like all my favorite Huda Beauty lipsticks and lip strobes, all in one drawer. And on this side I have kept highlighters, and these are my Huda Beauty highlighter palettes and the liquid glow from NYX and some loose highlighters. And here is the eye drawer. It has everything, liners, mascaras, and whatever needed. And here I'm having primer and prep things, so it is like eyeshadow bases and some kind of primers, all depending on different skin types. And this is my foundation drawer, and it has almost all kind of foundation uh, that would go with my client, so those are various shade ranges. And this is how the bag zips up, and they have side pockets also. I keep some towels when going for client. And these are the brushes which I normally keep in my brush tub. And this is the second bag. Again, I am not using that brush pocket, but these are the skincare stuff. Depending on my client, I'll be carrying these. And also these are the sprays and some tools, a little mirror, and a razor if in case someone needs to shave their face. And those are the disposable ones. I carry a small little dustbin, and alcohol, and a makeup brush cleanser, and some cotton swabs, and everything that is needed for hygiene purpose. These are some of the beauty sponges, and sanitizer. You must sanitize your hands before attending any client, even yourself. This is headband, and these are the disposable wands. Don't repeat the wands. This was the belt which came with the bag, but obviously my shoulders will fall off if I carry such heavy bag. And some tissues if in case client needs, and some shadow shields and a palette. This is stainless steel palette and some extra sponges. So these palettes come really handy if you are working on clients, and it's really easy to stop cross contamination by using everything on the palette. If you want to how to use a palette, I'll definitely do a video on that as well. And those are some tissues and wipes. I normally don't use wipes because it's not environmental friendly, but for clients, yeah, they need it, so I just carry. And these are some towels that just come handy. And yeah, that's